First up from Richardson, Texas, we have Fahad Al-Rawi. And his opponent from Starkville, Mississippi, we have Sam Gilmer.
Much more difficult when it's on the cushion. Good shot.
As long as he doesn't catch the 8 too much, he can sliver the 8 and still make the 7. Yeah.
Well, how about this for a safety?
This is going to be okay.
Little backup plan there, huh?
Yeah.
Take a look at how much pocket you have. Good shot.
It's very missable. Oh, good stroke, though.
Good stroke. And there you have it, the Black Tier 2025 9-ball champion. What a finish. Great, strong match by both players.
All right, congratulations to our new 9-ball shootout champion from Starkville, Mississippi, Sam Gilmer.